Right, we're in San Antonio at Distributech, and I'm here with Mike Matthews from Schneider Electric's Wiser division. One of the things that you're introducing at the show, or not introducing, you've been showing it for a while now, is the Wiser series of smart thermostats and just home management systems. Uh, when you're talking to utilities, as your customers in this case, what are you pressing home? What message are you talking to them about, and how are you bringing this out as something that they can really use to improve their electrical distribution?
Yeah, thanks, Peter. So the Wiser Home Management System is really designed to help utilities engage a consumer so that they can have a relationship that actually participates with energy management. And utilities are also interested in controlling energy use within the residential sector so that on days where there's critical peak loads where the grid can't actually provide enough energy to end users, residential can help curtail load, so reduce the amount of load on the grid so that they can provide enough energy to keep the grid actually up and running and keep it reliable.
So the electrical utilities are going through some of the same transition that the phone company did a few years ago when they stopped being the phone company and moved into a far more competitive situation where you had competing providers. Now they're getting away from being the power company to being an electricity supplier, and these are their customers. How is that changing the picture for those utilities?
Right, yeah, great question. It really is changing it a lot, and utilities can use products like the Wiser Home Management System to differentiate themselves and help engage consumers in a different way. So before, where they were just a ratepayer, consumers and customers of energy are now treated like customers. So they're able to make choices on who they're going to buy their electricity from. And utilities need to make sure that the products like Wiser Home Management are being made available that give consumers understanding and control of their energy, but also make their lives more convenient and comfortable.
So the Wiser products ultimately help the customers understand how they're using it and makes them effectively more informed consumers then.
It really does. And even beyond just helping the consumer, it helps the utility stay efficient. So Wiser in a utility helps them buy power efficiently, helps them deliver power efficiently, and helps the utility keep the cost of energy as low as it can be. So for all of those customers within their network, they can keep the price reasonable and continue the reliability of constant and cheap power.
All right, thanks, Mike.
You're welcome.